Hi, today on Dave's POV, we're doing something different. We're not doing a hike where we walk, but we are traveling through the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. Now, if you're somebody who has mobility problems and you really can't hike on any of the trails, or you just don't have the time, or you don't feel like it, there is an alternative. I like to call it high-low. And that is, you can either go high on the road that takes you across the top of the mountains, and that's where you get your sweeping, beautiful views of the land below, Maryville, Knoxville, if it's a really clear day, a sunny day. And then there's the low road, and that's the road that runs along the lower part of the mountain, all the way from Townsend into Gatlinburg. The low road is actually the Little River Gorge Road that follows the Little River as it winds its way through the lower portion of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. It doesn't matter which way you drive, east to west or vice versa, it's a beautiful drive either way. There are many places along the drive to pull over and enjoy the beauty and power of the Little River. On the fall day that I did this drive, I traveled east to west. So one of the last dramatic sights I got to see was the Sinks. This stunning feature of the Little River Gorge is actually man-made, really. It was built for the railroad that ran through here many decades ago. Today, it's just an awesome sight by itself, and the starting point for the Meigs Creek Trail hike. If you continue on a little more, you'll eventually end up in Townsend, although there are other sites you can detour to off the Little River Gorge Road. Now for the high portion of our driving hike, the Foothills Parkway. There are several ways to get to the parkway, but my favorite is to start in Maryville and head south on Montvale Road for about 7 miles. Montvale will then turn into Happy Valley Road, and that will eventually begin to climb up into the mountains. As you get to the top, follow the signs to the Foothills Parkway. Not long after you get on the parkway, you can stop, if you like, at the Lookout Rock Trail and View platform. There's plenty of parking across from the trailhead. The hike is uphill, but not strenuous, and it's short. The views at the platform are worth the hike. As you continue on the Foothills Parkway, there are many places along the drive to pull over for amazing views. Eventually, you'll reach State Route 321, and you can end your journey there heading into Townsend or back to Maryville, or you can continue on the parkway to Wears Valley, where you'll meet up with Route 321 again, which will take you to Pigeon Forge. All total, this drive will take a good portion of one day, depending on how many times you stop to experience the sights. One thing's for sure, if you do both the high and low drive, you'll get to see a lot of the amazing beauty the Great Smoky Mountains have to offer. And you won't be tired from hiking, on foot that is. I hope you enjoyed this drive hike edition of Dave's POV. Thank you for watching.